To access Bryan College Library articles and databases from off-campus, always begin at the library's website, which is library.bryan.edu. Once here, click on Articles and Databases located in the Search the Library box that is on the home page. Clicking this will take you here to an alphabetical listing of all of the library's subscription databases. And here you can find databases that best meet your needs in a couple different ways. One, you can narrow them by subject. So if you're looking for a business database, click Business. Show you all the business related ones here. Or two, you can pick one of our more general multidiscipline databases from the popular databases list here. Or three, if you know exactly what you're looking for, you can type in the title here, or scroll through the list, or just click straight to the letter that you want. So, if you are off campus, once you click on a database, so JSTOR for instance, you will see a login screen that is very similar to this My Bryan login screen. And this is the same username and password that you will use to get into your Bryan email and your Moodle account. So once you've logged in here, it will take you straight to the database that you clicked on. And if you're off campus, you also might be seeing, for some databases, a security error message. And this is indeed, when you see these after clicking on a database, it is safe to bypass this scary security message. This is being caused by an issue that we're having on campus currently, and we're working to resolve it. But in the meantime, you're going to run into this message on certain databases, and I actually have noted which ones are affected by this, which JSTOR, I believe, is one of them. So yeah, the ones that are affected, I have a note here. Are you seeing a security or privacy error message when you try to access a database off campus? Follow these instructions. This is a little note as to why you're seeing this error message, and then steps to take to bypass it. And then also I have a list right here of the specific ones that are affected by this currently. Okay, so once you are in the database and you've bypassed the security message, if there is one, you have access to everything that we subscribe to as a library in that database. And you'll see right here, access provided by Bryan College. And then one thing I want to note that students often get confused by, once you are in a database and you've logged in through the My Bryan screen, and you see that you have access through Bryan College, you do not need to log in again. This login button that some databases have is for you to create your own personal account, for you to save articles to and citations to refer back to once you've left the database. But you don't have to do that. That is just a personalized option that some of the databases offer. So, okay, this is how you access our databases from off campus. If you ever have any questions, on our library homepage we have our contact information, our phone number, and our email address. Or if you want to contact a specific staff member, we have our information on the About page. So feel free to contact us anytime with your questions, and we are glad to help you. Thanks.